Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Einstein Bros' new country bagels and gravy egg sandwich has got all the flavor of biscuits and gravy on a fresh baked bagel that's easy to take on the go. Take 4 years.
That car's slow as shit, it's a Toyota.
Get in the other lane. Rock.
Different brand of CACOE. Gosh. Fucking scammer ran us off the road.
Video protected.
Wow. I know. Dude.
Oh my gosh.
Hey Garmin. Save video.
Like, well, now you have to send that to me. I wanna.
I have sent it to you, I'm pretty sure.
No, you didn't.
I'm very sure I did. This person just made an illegal left turn in front of a comp. That's crazy. Yeah, he's literally getting pulled over right now.
Haha, loser.
Yeah, literally right in front of me. Bro, I posted that on Reddit. That's crazy.
Instead of a murderer. Look, I don't like Alec Baldwin, I don't like his politics, but he's an A-list celebrity. He doesn't have to do reality TV. At least he shouldn't have to, unless is it that bad for him?
Oh my gosh.
of your home. I love Simply Safe. Here at True Crime Garage, we've been telling people to protect your home and business for years now. I feel confident telling you that this is the most complete security system out there.
Holy shit! Shit. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.